Welcome to today's review on Hurom H70 cold press juicer machine. We're gonna check out this compact beast that's making juicing way simpler for folks like you and me. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this cold press juicer at the best price in the market. Right off the bat, this thing stands out with its strainer-free design that ditches those annoying mesh filters other juicers have. Instead, it uses a smart 2-part auger system that naturally separates pulp while you juice, so no scrubbing forever after. Clean up. Rinse the parts under water in under a minute, seriously game-changing if you've dealt with sticky pulp buildup before. It's compact too, just 8 by 8 by 16 inches, slides right onto your counter without hogging space, and it's lightweight enough to stash in a cabinet when done. The wide mouth hopper is a total time saver, big enough for whole fruits or chunks of veggies like apples, carrots, beets, or leafy greens, and it's self-feeding so you load it up hands-free and let it do the work while you kick back. No constant chopping or babysitting needed. Powered by slow masticating tech at around 43 revolutions per minute, it squeezes every drop out for maximum yield and super smooth juice with minimal waste or foam. Nutrients stay intact since there's no heat or oxidation like faster juicers cause. Assembly is dead simple with fewer parts and an intuitive setup. Even if you're new to this, you have it running in seconds. Love the front gauge window too, lets you peek at your vibrant juice color and feel level without opening it up. It's quiet, just a gentle munching sound, won't wake the house. Users rave about the juice quality, higher yield from greens and fibrous stuff, and that fresh taste that holds up even next day. On the flip side, it's pricey at around $600, though coupons drop it lower, and it's not perfect for super soft fruits like mangoes which can get mushy, or citrus needs peeling first to avoid bitterness. Celery might leave tiny fibers sometimes, and hand washing is required, no dishwasher safe. Still, the 10-year motor warranty shows build quality is top-notch, feels solid like it'll last years. Compared to centrifugal models, you get more nutrition, less foam, better flavor, but it takes a couple minutes longer per batch, worth it for health benefits. Daily juicing becomes a breeze, toss in your morning greens, fruits, ginger shot whatever, and boom, nutrient-packed glass ready. Folks say it's transformed their routines, more consistent fresh juice without hassle. If you're serious about wellness but hate cleanup drama, this balances function and ease perfectly. Pros outweigh cons big time for most, especially with that easy clean promise delivering. Head to the link in description now to snag yours at the best deal. Don't miss out on upgrading your kitchen game today. Trust me, once you taste that smooth, vibrant juice, you'll wonder how you waited so long. Grab it through the link below and start juicing smarter right away.